Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you how to fix the error message when trying to launch Claude Code from PowerShell or Terminal. The error message says the term Claude is not recognized as the name of a commandlet, function, script file, or operable program. Check the spelling of the name, or if a path was included, verify the path is correct and try again. Before we jump into the fix, a quick explanation of why this happens. When you install Claude Code on Windows, the installer drops the Claude.exe or executable file somewhere on your hard drive. For Claude Code, that file needs to be in a folder that Windows knows where to check when you type a command in the terminal or PowerShell. There are two different ways Claude Code can be installed. The native PowerShell installer, which is the current and recommended way, would have ran a PowerShell command from the Claude or Anthropic support site, and it should have placed Claude.exe in a directory on your computer. Okay, let's jump into the fix. Search for environment in your Windows Start menu and select Edit Environment Variables in your account. Or if you want to browse, just go to Settings, then System, then About, then Advanced System Settings, select Environment Variables, and then select Path. And you'll add this path C:\users / your username /.local /bin, and then hit OK on the environment variables boxes and relaunch PowerShell. And if you type in Claude, it should launch now. The second way to install Claude Code is using npm. Now this is the older, more legacy way of installing Claude Code and likely not in use as much anymore. But before Anthropic made a native Windows installer, the only option was to install Claude Code through Node.js's package manager. So npm had its own folder where it put its global tools, and that folder location varies by machine. In either case, the fix is the same. You need to make sure Windows knows where to find that file by adding the correct path to your Windows environment variables. If you use the legacy npm install instead of the native PowerShell installer, the binary ends up somewhere different, but usually in your npm global prefix folder, somewhere likely C:\users / your username /npm -global. You can run npm -config -get -prefix to find it and add that path in case your path is different from the general global default location. Okay, and if you restart Windows or close and reopen your PowerShell or Terminal window, the Claude.exe command should work and Claude will launch. That's it for today. If you have any questions, please post those in the comment section below. I always keep an eye on that. And if this video helped out, please consider giving it a thumbs up or subscribing to the channel. It really does help. And as always, thanks for watching.